their amount, describe particular sales of goods and subsidy revenue. There is a debit side and the credit side. As per the notes I have made, is the debit is in left and credit is on the right. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. This is something I have read and I think I remember something. Uh, okay. Accounting is part of the kitchen life and the hotel hospitality industry. Every big wealthy or every minimalistic kitchen or restaurant is having these stuffs. The accounting in their language, which simply means the numbers are there. Accounting is simply a business mathematics, as per me, by my philosophy. And if you are watching this video, thank you. If you are reaching this point, please like and subscribe. And there are liabilities and are on the left side, debit side, and the assets are on the credit side. In the liabilities, there are different types of liabilities. I have written in my notes. Current liabilities, account payable, short-term loans, accrued expenses, taxes payable. On the asset side, there is current assets, cash, accounts receivable, inventory, and prepaid expenses. I never did. I can when I was doing my business and all my learning my culinary arts. I never wrote it in this direction, but it simply depicts that person with different net value describes the accounts in different means and चलते चलते and there is owner's equity remaining stage what do we say the remaining stake initial investment owner equity gone to recover a company's losses there are something called like that assets of company is liabilities plus owner's equity. I'm just repeating my the notes I have made from the MBA and this is to remind that it is my practice and I'm also doing the practice of acting. I have bought a book. It is my simply a means of acting on the camera. I have to speak whatever I want for the time period I am doing thing. And it is very necessary to face the camera every day. The balance sheet is like a picture. Profit and loss account, the balance of sheet, and the trading account, the three basic financial accounts. Financial statements, adjustment entries, impact of these are essential. And after a few days, I can revisit this video and know more about my things.